There is a simple solution if you need some crane control shots for your production. In many occasions you can't use your drone due to law restrictions and space to get that high angle low pass. So you have to think out of the box to get the same crane drone shots. With the help of the Moza Aircross 2 built-in Mimi control and the lightweight Slypod combo, you can achieve some different height angles for your creative crane drone shot. So you can actually stretch up to more than 3 meters and stretch your potential for a high to low angle passing scene. Rigging up to a wireless image transmission system, you can control your Moza Aircross 2 using the Mimi control function by a second operator, so you can focus on the crane movement and the second operator will actually monitor the footage and control all the angles of the camera with the accelerometer of your smartphone. When using the Slpod connected to the Moza Aircross 2, you will be actually getting a motorized extension pole for your different needs, like passing through objects to juice up your footage. Inception mode ready. If you're doing weddings just like me, you can use this combo to get a different perspective on the dance floor and make your wedding films even more creative. The high angle shots that you will be able to achieve where your drone is not able to fly will add to your great looking edits. There you go guys, some easy steps to mimic your crane/drone shots. Thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe with the bearing icon to get notified every time I make a new video, and see you on my next one.